What's up guys, Gourmet Glitzy here again, and mamma mia, we have a pasta recipe for you today. Once you've got your 2 cups of flour and you've mixed in your salt, get your fingers and make yourself a nice well in the middle. Make sure you keep those edges high so there's enough room to crack the eggs in without it spilling over. Alright, once you've cracked your 3 eggs into your well, get yourself a fork and start gradually mixing in the flour. Once it becomes more of a dough consistency, you can ditch that fork and get your hands in there. Start kneading the dough until it becomes smooth and firm and all of the flour is combined. Guys, don't forget to give the video a little like and also comment down below what pasta is your favourite. Okay, good job! Once you've kneaded in all of the flour, make your dough into a nice little ball, get yourself some cling film, wrap it up tightly in the cling film, put it in the fridge and let it chill for at least 30 minutes before you use it. When you're ready to make your pasta, get your dough out of the fridge. Dust your work surface with flour, give your dough a little knead, and make into a sausage shape. Cut your dough into 4 equal pieces. Add some more flour to your work surface, take one of the pieces of dough and roll it out as thin as you can possibly get it whilst trying to keep it in a rectangular shape. I'm well aware of how unspectacular my rectangles were. Once you roll the dough out as thin as you think you're going to get it, take the dough from the smaller end and roll it in on itself into a cigar shape. Once your dough is rolled up into a cigar shape, get yourself a really sharp knife and cut it into 1 centimeter strips. Once your dough is cut into 1 centimeter strips, put some more flour on it and use your fingers to gently tease the pasta into making luscious lengths of glorious goodness. Continue to use your other pieces of dough depending on how many people you want to feed. To cook, you simply add this to boiling water with a little bit of salt added for approximately 4 minutes. And voila! Guys, I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below any ideas that you might have. I'll catch you soon. Thank you guys. Stay safe.